Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage wholesale customer pricing in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do to set up our wholesale is go here in the search button, and from here you want to type wholesale price now. And this would appear right here, and as you can see, two of them appeared right here because I have already installed this app. But in your case, this should not appear right here. You need to click here at this button, search for wholesale price now in the Shopify app store, and you want to click on it. And from here you would be redirected right here, and from here you would want to go for this one right here, wholesale pricing now. But as you can see, there are a lot of apps that lets you go wholesale on your prices, but this is the one that I've chosen, and this is gonna be the one that we will be using in this tutorial. But you are also welcome to use other tools right here or apps, because it is also compatible. And as you can see, they also have free trial, just like this one, 14-day free trial. This one is for free, and just like this one, we have a free plan available right here. So we're gonna proceed in this one. And once you proceed, you want to click on install app right here, and or add app. Then after that, you would be redirected to install the app, and that is just basically it. Then you would have successfully installed your wholesale pricing. Now let's go open this app right here. After you have installed the app, you will be automatically redirected right here. So now that we're here, the first thing that we need to do is we need to create your first discount group right here. So we need to complete this step. So to do that is simply go into the discount groups right here at the bottom. As you can see, we have the create discount group button. So you can create a discount group right here. But as you can see, I only have a free plan. I didn't go for an upgraded plan in this wholesale pricing now app, so I can only add one. So now let's proceed in adding. So let's go name this sample group. And also the customer tag is wholesale customer, just like that. And discount group description, this field is visible to shoppers and product eligible for wholesale benefits, just like that. And now before the discount tiers, you have an option to set discounts amounts and percentages, or you can set discounted prices right here. But as you can see, you need to upgrade to get this feature right here. I prefer using this one because it's very much easier to understand compared to this one. But since we have only a free plan, we have no choice but to choose this one. And now proceeding into the base discount tiers and the type of discount. So from here, we have a choice. So either we can go with this one right here, so minimum cart value. This would mean that when a shopper has more than $100 worth of products in their cart, they would get 10% of each unit, because we have the percentage right here. And as you can see, when we choose other options, this would change right here, so that you could better understand what you are choosing right here on the options right here. And of course, the type of discounts right here, you can also go for fixed amount. And as you can see, the values have changed. It is now $10 because it's now fixed. But you can modify it later. But for me, I would choose the minimum cart quantity. So for example, when a shopper has 3 or more items in their cart, they would get a percentage of discount. So they would get a percentage of each unit. So the minimum cart quantity that I would want is 3, and the discount would be 10, just like that. They would get a 10% off for their purchase. And the discounted products right here, so select discount products to be discounted, or you could also discount all products and select collections to be discounted if you upgrade your plan here in this app. So since we're not upgraded, let's just proceed right here. So you can search or put your products right here by clicking here on the search products button. So click on it, and I can choose right here, or maybe this one right here. And I want to click on add it. And as you can see, I can only add one because of my free plan. And once you are done, then you can go and proceed right here, and discount table, we don't need that. And yeah, start free trial now to modify shipping rates if you'd want to, but this is basically it for me. I'm satisfied with this, so I'm gonna click on save discount group. And after that, we have successfully created our discount group. Now all that's left is create a customer account in Shopify and tag them with wholesale customers. And after that, then you can go into step 4, log into your storefront using your new tag customer account, and 5, while logged in, visit an applicable products page, and so on. And if everything works out for you, then you can click here, everything's working great. Or if not, then you can click here, I need help, so that the customer service would be able to help you set up your discount groups or your wholesale pricing here in Wholesale Pricing Now. And I'm not going to show the rest of the step because that is fairly subjective, but this is how you do it. So thank you guys for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.